here's correct. First, with the strut is the bumper. And our dishwasher, concave. And the boot. And a dish. These pieces have been powder coated, ignore the color. Next up is this and the collar. This one goes straight through, no stop. It's flush with the bottom. Next up is the OE upper strut mount. Here's the direction. Next up is this piece with the metal integral piece on top, metal up top, and it's concave, rubber down. And the fit dimensions are as they should be. Because it's concave, final washer is a dish, concave. Finally, our lock nut. And we torque it to spec.